welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making pecan pie. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find the full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared.
To start, I'm going to add my eggs into a mixing bowl. I'm going to quickly whisk them so they will combine better and faster with my other ingredients. Now that my eggs are all scrambled, I'm going to add in my brown sugar, vanilla extract, corn syrup, and melted butter. I'm going to whisk this until all my ingredients are fully combined. My filling looks good, so I'm going to move on to the next step. Now I'm going to fill my pie crust. Keep your crust in the freezer until you're ready to use it. The cold will help harden the fat and keep it from shrinking. It'll also give the crust a flaky texture. To start, I'm going to put my pecans into the bottom of the crust. I'm using my hands to make sure the pecans are evenly spread across the bottom of it. Next, I'm going to pour my filling into the pie crust. Try to pour it evenly over the pecans. I used my rubber spatula to get the rest of the filling out of the bowl. Next, I'm going to put my pie into the oven. My oven's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. At about 30 minutes, I put a tent of tin foil onto my pie so it could bake longer without getting burned. Even if the crust still looks bland in color, you'll want to cover the pie so the nuts don't burn. I know this can happen because it's happened to me. My pie took 55 minutes to bake. When it's done, it should look dry on top and be solid, not jiggly. Remember to check your pie starting at 45 minutes and then set a timer for a few minute increments until it's done. And my pecan pie is done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!